Every educator is a designer of learning experiences where students go on an engaging learning journey that lead them to do something that they thought was not possible of themselves, building the foundation for their growth mindset, giving them the courage and confidence to take on new problems and challenges. But just like the design profession, there are great designs, but there are also a lot of bad ones. And I've experienced a lot of bad ones myself as a student. For example, in an elementary school project, I was told to learn about Herbert Hoover, the 31st US president. And then I was told to create a bust, a sculpture of his head. I learned random facts about the president, which I've forgotten, and strangely became an expert of his facial features, which I don't think was the intent of the designer of this project, my teacher. During these type of learning experiences, I remember constantly asking why. Why am I learning this? As an educator, I quickly realized that the answer to this question would have been more obvious if the learning was more authentic and relevant. This idea of designing learning experiences led myself, David Hotler, and Jessica Laux to develop an education design framework called Edupermaculture. Its name stems from permaculture, a term coined by David Holmgren and Bill Mollison. These two men were curious to see why natural self-sustaining ecosystems produce so much more biomass than human-made systems. Permaculture, therefore, was the direct imitation of the elements and patterns found in natural ecosystems to produce more biomass in human-designed landscapes. With Edupermaculture, educators see themselves as designers of learning landscapes, who are constantly looking to simulate or directly utilize the behaviors, practices, and systems found in successful learning environments and integrating them into school learning experiences, where students take on the role of professionals, like an urban planner who performs empathy work to design a city plan that meets the needs and improves the lives of its community members. What better way to take what already works in successful real-world learning and implement it into our education design? So this is a call to all educators out there to see yourselves as designers, as the Steve Jobs of great learning design. Use Edupermaculture to design, implement, and improve learning experiences that truly empower students to become agents of change who are equipped with the tools to tackle the complex challenges that they will face in their future. Thank you.